Greetings from Auroville, the city of dawn. Auroville is an international township located in the south of India. It was inaugurated on February 28, 1968, in the presence of 5,000 people, with the support of UNESCO and the Indian government. Youth representing 124 nations participated in the inauguration, with the hopes and dreams of building an ideal society, an ideal city. The landscape is now a lush green forest of what was once a barren plateau. Perhaps the buildings and infrastructure should have come first. However, that is why coming to Auroville means coming to a gigantic effort for progress. At present, Auroville is a growing community of over 3,000 people from over 58 nations. But it is an active community with well over 10,000 participants on a daily basis. Auroville aspires to be a universal town where men and women of all countries are able to live in peace and progressive harmony, especially above all creeds, all politics, and all nationalities. Because the purpose of Auroville is to realize human unity. The kind of human unity where we do not always get along or see eye to eye, but have a respect for each other, which leads to progress, both spiritually and materially. Currently, Auroville finds itself in a period of transition. We are, as is the world, at the cusp of a new era, and cannot but trust that our friends, well-wishers and viewers will take the signs of turmoil and readaptation that may come to their knowledge through various media, in the wider context of renewal and growth. For more information about Auroville, follow the links in the description below. Thank you for stopping by, and please remember to subscribe on your way out.